Okay, so this is the long hair don't care 365 unboxing slash initial review. I will drop a picture of what the package looks like when I got it. Alright, now that you know what the packaging looked like when I got it, I'm going to show you the hair. So this is the packages it comes in, as you can see in the pictures I showed you. This is the 20-inch. Alright, the hair does come with nets on them. This is the top of the bundle, which I think is decent for a 20-inch. I wish it was a tad bit bigger, but now this is not my first time ordering from the company. Alright, this is a 20-inch. Now when you get curly or wavy hair, it will be shorter. It will not measure to 20-inch. You have to stretch it to get the measurement. And I personally think this is longer than a 20-inch. Alright. And it goes like to like the end of my head. Okay. Curly goes to like the top, okay? But this is that. Alright, it's really bouncy. Has nice ends. They're not split or breaking. And no tangling. No tangling, and it has not shedding. Simply no strands. No strands, okay? Alright. This is the wave pattern again. I got a 16, 18, 22 inch for $135 because she's having a sale right now. And I think last time she had a sale, I got an 18, 20, 22 for like $120. But I got it straight. Alright. Here's my 20. I like the little pink rubber band thing part. Now, it's my 18-inch, which is this. This good shit right here. Okay, but anyway, it's really bouncy as well. The ends are also nice. Alright, this is the curl, the wave pattern. I think it's true to length. This is it. I wish I had the tape measure. But again, it's not shedding nor tangling. And I think this one is softer than the 20-inch. Okay. That's the 18-inch. Now, I did co-wash the 16-inch, okay? Just to see how the hair would react and how would it look. I didn't want to co-wash all the bundles, so I co-washed the 16-inch bundle with the Giovanni Tea Tree Triple Treat Invigorating Conditioner. Says it encourages shine and resilience, frees a flaky scalp, stimulates conditions, and strengthens hair. This is what it looks like. I ordered it offline. It was about $6 or $7. So it's good for co-washing hair. But this is my 16-inch, okay? I just did it not too long ago, and so far I mean, it's somewhat going back to its shape, especially at the bottom, but not as much as I would like it to. See? It's true to length. Yeah, it's definitely maybe a little longer. This is my 16-inch. Well, actually, I see the wave coming back. See it? So this is my 16-inch. It's actually pretty soft now. You want this on it. This is my 16-inch. So there you guys go. For those of you who were wondering about the hair, when I bought it before, it was pretty good hair. I got the straight hair. The only problem is I ordered this hair on Thursday. What is today? Thursday. Not 25, so 11. So the 15th, I want to say, if that was the Thursday, July 15th. And I did not, it was 2-day shipping, but I did not receive the hair until today. So it took, even though I chose 4 to 5 day shipping, so it took 10 days to receive my hair, which I was not happy about. And I did try and cancel my order because I changed my mind. But they only have a 2-hour cancellation policy, which is bullshit. So, there you guys go. If you have any more questions or comments, inbox me, comment, you know. Ask the bull. And the customer service fucking sucks. I don't like that bitch actually, but I love her hair, so. And her prices, because she's on sale. Everything's on sale right now and cheap. So, thank you and goodbye.